put some furniture levelers on the bottom of this first. I'm gonna screw a hole in it, and I'm gonna hammer this part in, and then we'll be able to level it like this. Drill levels. I think I'm gonna paint this black. Find out and everything all at once. So I think we're gonna go with this dark gray. It's a shoe rack. You sit your ass down. You put your shoes on. Only $10. Forbidden spaghetti. Make a beautiful chocolate pudding. So some people wonder, how do you know you stirred your paint enough? You just taste it, it's fine. Where's your mirror? Maybe you should paint your wood before you put it together. Maybe you should have a plan before you make an 8-foot long shoe rack. I don't know, but here we are. Let's take that one off. So I just come up here and I'm like, you want to say anything yet? You don't follow any rules here. It's all vibes. Oops. I thought this was my OnlyFans. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to take out, where's my hand? This one and this one so that I can get the cracks. That's a great song, but I think I'm gonna take a break. I'm pretty hungry. But I mean, you get the gist. Follow me. I will make a video of how I made this and what it looks like painted completely, and maybe even what it looks like in the living room.